Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have the problem in which we have to find out the value of m in given equation. Before starting a video, please kindly subscribe our channel for more videos and on the bell icon. So let's start the problem. Find the value of m if 25 power m minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 power 2 power m minus 1. What we have to do, we have to find out the value of m, this m. So how we can solve this problem? Let's continue. Let's start our problem. See, we have the equation 25 power m minus 1 plus 100 is equal to this. Can we write 25 as a 5 power 2 and whole power m minus 1? Can we write 5 power 2? Because 5 power 2 is equal to 25, right? Plus 100 is equal to 5 power 2m minus 1. As we know that when we have power like this 5 power 2m minus 1, we can multiply. For example, we have an equation x in which we have power n and whole power m. We can write this equation as x power m into n. We can multiply n into m, right? So we multiply by 2 to this equation, to this power m minus 1. What we will get? 5 power 2m minus 2 plus 100 is equal to 5 power 2m minus 1, right? What we do now, we move 5 power 2m minus 1 to this equation from left hand side to right hand side, then it will become negative. As you know that when we move from one side to another side, we will change the sign. So what we will get? We will get, for example, 5 power 2m minus 1, that we have this one, minus this equation, this expression 5 power 2m minus 2 is equal to 100. What we have done there, we just move this portion to this side, from left hand side to the right hand side, okay, and 100, that is same, okay. Now what we do here, we take 5 power 2m minus 2 as a common in this equation. Let's see how we can take the common. What we are going to do now, we are taking 5 power 2m minus 2 as a common. When we take 5 power 2m minus 2 common from this expression, what we will get? So this is a confusion to every person. When we take the common, remember one thing, when we are going to take common from this expression, means what we are doing, for example, what the remainder will come here, then write the equation, write the term. For example, we have 5 power 2m minus 1. What we are taking common, for example, we are taking common 5 power 2m minus 2, then divide this common to this. For example, what we will do, we will divide 2m minus 2 like this. The remainder what we get here, we will keep here. So this is the way when we take the common from any number, right? So here the exponent, the base is the same. For example, we have the base 5. As you know that there is a rule, for example, a upon a, and we have some power m or n. What we do, we can write is as m power minus n, right? So similarly, we have the same base, we will minus 2m minus 2 from 2m minus 1, means what we get, for example, like that, 2m minus 1 minus 2m minus 2, right? 5 2m minus 1, right, minus 2m, we are going to multiply by minus sign to this expression, minus 2m, minus multiply by minus, it will become plus and will become 2. This 2m and minus 2m will be cancelled. Then what we get? Minus 1 and plus 2. We subtract minus 1 from plus 2. What we will get? 1, which is equal to 5. So we have the remainder here 5 minus, we take 5 power 2 and minus 1 as a common. When we divide this from this, we'll get 1, which is equal to 100. I hope it's clear to you. Now what we will do, just simplify. See, 5 power 2m minus 2 multiply by what? 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which is equal to 100. 5 power 2m minus 2. When we move this 4 from left hand side to the right hand side, we will change the sign. If it is multiplication, here it will become division. If it was if it would have here as a positive, then it will be here as a negative. But here it's a multiply. Then we will divide here. What we will get? For example, let's see, 5 2m minus 2 is equal to, when we divide 100 divided by 4, what we will get? We will get 25, right? 5 2m minus 2 is equal to, we can write 25 as a 5 power 2, right? 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, right? Now, as I told you in my previous video, that whenever we have the same base in that equation and we have even power, then power will be equal, like this. For example, we have the same base here, then the power will be equal, right, like this equation. So we have the same base, 5 here, 5 here, then we will become same or equal this power. 2 minus 2 is equal to 2, right? Then 2m minus 2, here it will become positive. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So m is equal to 4 divided by 2. So we get the value m is equal to 2. This is the value which we required. When we keep this value, when we just place this value m is equal to 2 here, for example, 2 minus 1 is equal to 25. We will get the 25 plus 100. 100 plus 25, it will become 125, right? When we place m as equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 5 power 3 is equal to, like that, 5 power 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 125. So it is also 125. This is proof. We have proved that m is equal to 2 is the correct value. This is the check. Okay, we have checked the value. Is it wrong or right? So it's a correct value. M is equal to 2. Hence we have proved here. So kindly subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have any inquiry, you can ask in the comment section. We will reply to you. See you next video. Take care.